How to fix Spotify Student Premium not working. If you've been enjoying Spotify Student Premium but are now facing issues with it not working, don't worry, you're not alone. In today's video, I'm going to show you some simple steps to fix your Spotify Student Premium account and get it working again. Let's dive right in. First, let's make sure your student status is still active. Spotify Student Premium requires you to verify your student status through Share ID or third party service. If your student status has expired or wasn't verified properly, your premium access might be blocked. To check your status, go to your Spotify account settings and simply go to Spotify Student in your account if you have over here on your plan and confirm that your student verification is up to date. If your verification has expired or didn't go through correctly, you might need to re-verify your status using Share ID. Sometimes simply logging out and back in can solve the issue. Let's try that out. Log out of your Spotify account and simply log back in. Simply close the app and then reopen and log back in. This can refresh your account and apply any updates to your premium status. Once you log back in, check to see if your Spotify Student Premium is now working. Next, let's check our Wi-Fi connection. If your Wi-Fi connection is slow, then your Spotify Premium might not be showing. Check that up. Now let's check your subscription details. Go back to your account settings and select your plan. In account and on your plan, you can find your Spotify Student Premium listed as your active plan. If you don't see it, there may be an issue with your payment or plan upgrade. Check to make sure you've been charged for Student Premium plan recently. If not, you might need to resubscribe or contact customer support for assistance. And that's it. These are some of the steps that can help you get your Spotify Student Premium working again.